Hey James!
Okay,
How's it going, man?
it's great.
You ready?
Ready as I'll be. Okay, let's go.
Now slowly walk forward and put your toes over the edge there. I got you on the back here, okay?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Stand straight there. Wave your hand to the drone on the front there. Open your arms wide. Stand straight with your chest up. Just like that, okay? Now after we count down, big drive up, okay?
Yeah, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
Holy shit! What the fuck? Oh my god! 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 My heart is racing! Holy shit! I thought I was gonna die. I really thought I was gonna die. Oh my god! Oh my god! What the actual fuck? That was so scary. That was so scary. Whew. That was so lit. Oh man, and it's a little bit uncomfortable for the back for sure. Let me just hug it. Let me just hug the big red John. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, the thoughts that ran through my head. I really thought I was gonna die. I really thought I was gonna die. Oh. Oh. I really thought I was gonna die. Oh man, I almost lived till I was 24 in 2 days. What the fuck? What the actual fuck? This is lit though. This is lit. Holy fuck. Uh-oh. What the fuck is that about? Oh, that's just a pull. Oh, they were pulling. We're going up. We're going up, bitch. Holy fuck, dude. That was so fucked. That was so fucked. I would do it again. I would do it again. I don't know. I would do it again. That was so scary though. What the fucking shit, bro? Yeah, man, that was fucking lit. That was awesome.
Keep holding the buffer, we're gonna pull you back in. Stand up here. Alright. You alright?
Yeah, man.
Good. Sit down. Now please come back and sit down there. Sit back. Nice. Beautifully done, man. How was that?
Incredible.